US Mobile has officially announced 5G support. This is a really huge deal because they're using 5G on Verizon's mmWave 5G network. So first off, if you are on the US Mobile home screen, you can see up top they added a banner, go warp speed with US Mobile 5G and get early access. If you click on that, you'll be brought to US Mobile's 5G page. Here you can see kind of a cool graphic of a ship getting 5G installed. But basically, this is a really huge deal because US Mobile is using Verizon's mmWave 5G. This gives you speeds up to 10 times faster than 4G, up to 2 gigabits per second. And guys, this is huge. I was testing out Verizon mmWave 5G in Boston, and I easily got speeds over a gigabit per second. This is insane. You can load movies super fast with no buffering, chat in HD with no lag. You can game. I know a few people are into gaming, and download things near instantly. So this is a tremendous, tremendous upgrade over the 4G LTE network. However, these fast speeds do require a lot of cell towers and for the network to be built out. So US Mobile is using Verizon's mmWave 5G network, and this is using high frequency waves to transmit data at super fast speeds. And you can see that with the ship graphics right here. The faster, shorter waves transmit data much quicker. However, these waves do not travel as far, so you have to build out thousands of cell towers around the city that are close together. Then as you're traveling through the city, your phone can dynamically switch between the different cell sites, and this will help give you not only faster, but also more reliable and stable connections. Furthermore, US Mobile and Verizon are leveraging MIMO, which stands for multiple input, multiple output, and carrier aggregation. What this means is your phone will be able to connect to antennas simultaneously, again, for a more reliable and much faster connection. Now, what makes US Mobile's 5G so exciting is, again, it is using Verizon. I think I've said that like 5 times now, but they're starting their plans at $65 per month. Compared with Verizon, this is a huge deal because their 5G plans currently start at $80 per month, and this is with a $10 auto pay discount already applied. So these plans are $90 per month without that discount, and you can see 5G is currently included, but it's going to be a $10 per month value. That means if you want 5G in the future, it will eventually be $10 extra. So for your first month, you'll be paying $100 without any auto pay discounts applied. That's expensive. US Mobile, $65 per month. I'm sure there will be taxes and fees that will bring this up closer to $70, but still this is cheaper than Verizon, and with their family discounts, you can get this for closer to $50 per month. What's also amazing is you get the highest priority coverage on the network, which means it looks like US Mobile may be offering priority data speeds on the Verizon network. You'll also get up to 15 gigs of international data roaming, making these plans great for traveling, and you'll have the option for perks such as Disney+, Netflix, or others. Now, these are actually the same perks that are currently available with US Mobile's unlimited plans, where for every line you add, you get to choose one perk from that tier. So for example, with 2 lines, you could choose Apple TV+. If you add a line, you can choose Disney+, or maybe Netflix. And then if you add a 4th line, you can get PlayStation Plus or possibly Xbox Live Gold. And while we're here, it looks like I got a pop-up in the corner with a code for a free SIM starter kit. So I'll just leave that linked in the video description if you want to use that code to get a free SIM kit. But either way, these are extremely exciting plans from US Mobile, and they're doing a limited time offer right now where you can get $100 for 3 months of service. That'll be just under $34 per month for 3 months of 5G service on US Mobile. I'm super excited about this, and if you click Get Early Access, you can be one of the first people to try this out. You're just going to enter your name and email address, and US Mobile will let you know as soon as this promotion is officially available. Now you'll notice here it says get earlier access by referring your friends. So guys, if you'd like to help me be one of the first people to try this out, consider signing up for this email alert. I'll have it linked in the video description. But that's going to be it. US Mobile is officially bringing Verizon 5G to their plans. I'm excited about this because US Mobile is one of the only carriers I'm aware of that will have access to Verizon's 5G network. And if you're wondering, US Mobile also offers service on their GSM LTE network. This uses T-Mobile for coverage, and I tested this and can confirm T-Mobile 5G is currently supported. So if you're looking for affordable 5G plans, you can go to their plans and build a custom plan to meet your needs. And if you sign up for their GSM LTE network, you will get low band 5G support. You can see a plan here is $30 for 5 gigs. So that's the update on US Mobile. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone interested in trying Verizon's mmWave 5G with speeds up to 2 gigabits per second. I'm Stetson, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.